Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to see the videos that you watched on Facebook. Either you want to rewatch the video or you just want to see them and then you delete them because probably you do not want people to see what you watched. This is actually how to do that. Now the first place you go to, you click on your profile icon and then you'll allow that to load. Scroll down a little bit and then you see where you have the three-dotted icon just next to the edit profile. You click on that and now you navigate to activity log. You click on activity log. Now from this area you can see videos you have watched or videos you've watched. Now you click on it and then wait for it to load up. It's going to display all of the videos that you watched based on the date. Now you can see on the 12th I watched this particular video. So to get rid of that video, you can click on the three-dotted icon and then you delete. I do not even think I watched any video today. If maybe any video played, it's just because I opened the video section and it automatically played. So let's go ahead and see the video. You click on view and then the video will start playing. And yes, I did not watch this video. Yeah, I saw this particular video when I was making the tutorial. But do not worry. So if this is the video you want to watch or the video you watch, you want to rewatch it again, you can go ahead and watch this. But then if it's not so, you can click on back and then you go back and then you start seeing all of the video that you watched. Now there are even more. I like UFC fights, so I watched this particular video I think yesterday. So it is right here for me, so I can click on this view icon and then it's going to start playing the video again. So you click on it and then you'll be able to watch this. Yeah, I was sure I watched this particular trailer yesterday, this particular fight yesterday. It's Strickland and Drake DDP. So you can go ahead and watch the video that you want, the previous one you watched. And if maybe for some reason you do not like that video, it's uncomfortable, you want to get rid of it, you don't want people to see it, click on the three-dotted icon and then you hit delete. And it's just deleted. And even though you refresh, it's no longer going to be there. It's no longer going to appear because you already deleted them. Now, if you want to delete even more or want to wipe everything, you can just click on clear video watch history and then you click on clear watch history. And then you are going to wipe all of your watch history. But be careful, when you clear it, you are no longer getting it back. So if you do not want to lose it, don't clear it. Delete them manually. So by deleting them manually, you can always come back and rewatch. So because I have so many videos that I've watched, it's going to take time to clear. So do give it some time, and after a while you refresh. And do not forget, you can always click on this and clear. And if maybe you want to go to older videos that you watched, let's say a year ago or 2 years ago, just on the left hand area you can see where it puts date. You can click on the date and then you navigate to the exact date that you want. You click on let's say 2002 and then you hit save, and then it's going to appear and display all of the videos of 2002. But you can notice it says video you've watched, nothing to show. The reason why it did that is because I wiped the history before showing you guys. So too bad for you guys, you cannot see that. So let's go back to 2024 and you see nothing also. Why? Because I already wiped the history. And then go back to 2025, which is the current date. Shouldn't show anything. It's not supposed to show anything. Let me refresh. Probably you think it's an error. Click on refresh. It refreshed the page and it should show nothing because I already wiped it. So guys, if you have confusion or question doing this or any challenges doing this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to respond to that and I will see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and peace.